On top the ogbonge things where they happen for we state, story for today where they reach us for T-Live Media. Now the ogbonge plans where the First Lady of we state, Betsy Obaseki, she don tanda gidigba prosthetic limbs for amputees than na artificial legs for people wey no get leg for body again. Maybe na due to accident or say na illness na im comot the leg for their body. This ogbonge thing wey we First Lady do now with the throwaway body put of them X Limb Center and St. Theresa Catholic Church. All the amputees them they come gather sit down for the place where then take they give them and arrange this new leg for them than at the artificial leg. And as they bring the legs they enter, now in these people then they happy because all these legs now to help change their life will be say they will confident they use their 2 legs till they waka like who gets the 2 legs complete. Bidlanja Prakash will be the branch coordinator of this X Limb Center. Even now one of the partners where them collabo with this ogbonge initiative of we First Lady. Now in con they help the amputees them they fix the leg and in con they teach them how them go take use this new leg, how them go take maintain them and how them go practice on how to they use and waka well. The First Lady of we state, Betsy Obaseki, she can't follow all these amputees them talk on the leg where them give them and how in they very important to we state government. And also she can't still they thank all the partners them which way body put to see say this project where them start for our office so it waka well and the provision of these legs where the partners them where the throwaway body give them. She can't still tell these amputees them say she gives sadakata give them for the mind where them get to consider and come collect this new leg and say she wish them successful replacement as it be say she believes say this new leg it go improve the quality of their life.
I just thought to come and see you all today and witness the limb replacements or the limb fixing. Another reason why I'm here is to personally extend my deep thanks and gratitude to the Toleram group who were willing and happy enough to collaborate with us to provide this very valuable accessory and to you all and indirectly helping us in Edo State to look after our people. They offered to come support me here in Edo State since we became governor. And so they offered different things to me and some of the projects we're already embarking on. The most meaningful and that I found is this prosthetic limbs that are the replacement that they're offering today. Toleram Group has this humanitarian arm that they use to intervene in the lives of people whichever country that they find themselves operating in. So this is one of their, they call it corporate service, CSR, that they do. They offer limbs to people who have so amputees free of charge. And so it's one of the foundations of the group. And it is a worthy foundation. So I'm here to really salute them, commend them, appreciate them, and thank them very much for this huge service that they're doing for society. And for bringing it here to us in Edo State. We're deeply grateful. So I want to just also appreciate every one of you who have been brave enough and wise enough to avail yourselves of this opportunity. This is, it's not a miracle. It's only God that can perform that miracle. And He still can perform it any day if you believe. But this is man's effort to just make life a little bit more comfortable for you, a little bit more bearable for you. And I wish every one of you that you have a successful limb replacement today, and I pray that the limbs that you'll be given today will really do what we expect in each and every one of your lives and, improve the quality of your life, ultimately. I pray that you will take good care of the limbs and make sure that they don't deteriorate over time. And whenever you have issues, we have a small committee or office, people in my office liaising on a regular basis with the Toleram group to assist you with any issues you might have after this exercise over time from now on. So all the best and God bless.
You have to keep and clean your limbs always. Don't use barefoot and go inside water. That is second thing. And when you want to go on bed to sleep, you can remove your limb and keep side. Be relaxed, okay? practice is more important. So be practice and walk very well. So you can do some work for yourself, for your state, for your country. I'm sure you will walk very well and make yourself comfortable with limb. Even today you will collect any limb, and next day you will feel any problem. You can come tomorrow to let us know what is the problem actually you are feeling.
Odinore Augustina, she said she don't go through the things where these amputees don't go through. And she can't follow them talk unto say she said join body put with the office of the First Lady and the other partners them on top this new leg, the artificial leg where they put for grant for these people made them get. She can't still talk about the training center, the one where they want open for St. Theresa Catholic Church for we state here by January 2019 to take train these people who just collect this new leg on top how they will take they use them. And she can't still talk say she won't thank the First Lady for this ogbonge thing where she do for the people we get this leg issues.
Whatever challenge you are facing in life today, this is not the end of life. Life goes on. If we are being amputated, that does not mean that we will not be recognized by the society. Our helper will come to our way. Our helper will locate us. I would want to thank the office of the First Lady and the St. Theresa Catholic Church. My parish priest is not here. I'm a representative. I would want to thank them for a job well done. And I would want to make an announcement. Most patients wouldn't know how to use these prosthetics to work. So we would want to open a training center at St. Teresa's Catholic Church where patients would learn how to use the prosthetics to work. The training starts in January 2019. I will get across to patients. Once again, I say thank you.
The Deputy First Lady of the state, Mariam Shaibu, she said Tandagidigba put now she can't talk on behalf of the office of the First Lady. Waiting them see we make them Tandagidigba this obonge sweet thing for the amputees where they will state and how this project how it is important to the office of the First Lady and also it is important to the state government.
People wey no get leg now, human being they be and they be members of Edo State. So because they no get leg, no make them different from the rest of us. So if we don't decide, if we know say we get human beings for Edo State, whether you get leg, you no get hand, whether you dey sick, you no be sick, you be member of Edo State. So now our responsibility to take care of you. So that is why my madam can collaborate with St. Teresa's Hospital and the Tolerant Group to ensure say she do this kind of bonga thing for these people when no get leg. This government will be saying anything where they put hand, they complete them more, and they see until the end. That is why if not before you go here say they don't come measure the leg, now there the matter end. But they measure this leg, they give them date say they go come today, and now today they come. That's to say, as we don't start them at all, we go see until the end, and we go continue to do them. And even all that many things where they ground, what we go they do, they still there for that too.
The amputees them now so they can still follow us for T Live Media. Talk how body they do them. On top this sweet matter, the one where the office of the First Lady, where you don't Tandagidigba put for them, and this new leg where they collect so because it can make life they easy and better for them.
We discovered say some of the people where we say they cut their leg, they find them difficult to walk about. Instead of using walking stick, walker to walk. So we come plan say plenty people they suffer. So we need to look for solution how they want to walk out freely. So we'll get to do online for them now. I be beneficiary also, but not from here. The next thing we'll go do for them now be say we'll teach them how to use the leg waka because most of them don't know how to use the leg waka. So we'll teach them from time to time from the office of the First Lady. We'll teach them how to use the leg, say waka.
I did very happy for the help where Her Excellency helped me to receive a artificial. So now I move fine, I walk fine. I don't have any disturbance again. So I thank Her Excellency for helping me, make life easy for me.
I happy well for this thing where government do for me. Because all these years, I just sit down for one place. I don't feel waka. But today, they can't help me, give me leg. You know, as I stand gidigba now, I stand because before I no fit stand like this. So I happy well today.
I'm happy for wetin the government they do for us, because to buy it or look for it, it will cost us a lot of money, but they gave us a free of charge without charging us anything. So I'm grateful to our governor's wife, Mrs. Obaseki. I thank her for doing this type of thing for us.
When I got this accident, I feel that there's no hope. So I thank God today now. I can see that they called me, take the measurements, and they want to fix it for me. So I thank God for everything what God do for me. I thank them because everything I want to say, me they keep on doing it. Because I feel say no hope for me before, because I want to get money take do am. And it just be my problem. So I thank God. I want to make God still help them. Make they still they do they go. Make God give them long life so that they will be doing more.
Now so Bidlanja Prakash, now so himself with the First Lady of we state, Betsy Obaseki, and Deputy First Lady of we state, Dana Miriam Shaibu. Now so they self join and begin they fix the leg for these people. And now so these people they work as they come begin they test the leg. They use and they work up and down. Conte they thank God and thank the government on top this ogbonge thing, the one we don't land brekete put for their life. Now here we see the Tori Rich on top Tori for today, on top the ogbonge things where they happen for we state.